Friends, welcome to Flagbot's battle.
Meet the first robot from Barbados. It's Barbatron. It has a rotating turret with a powerful extendable trident, as well as sharp and dangerous swords on both sides of its body. It also has a secret weapon that it will surely use in battle. Meet the metal monster Jamot, straight from sunny Jamaica. It's equipped with powerful metal blades on top that can knock the wind out of any opponent. On the sides, it has extendable spikes to pierce his opponent's armor like a tin can.
Only seconds left until the start.
Jamot makes the first attack. Barbatron counterattack and delivers a crashing blow with his trident. Barbatron's attack fails and Jamot manages to fend it off with his blades.
Barbatron's operator seems furious.
He delivers his first accurate blow with his sword. Barbatron jumps into the air from the powerful blow. Some miracle saves Jamot. It seems the blades are still working. Whoa! Barbatron demonstrates the impressive combo. A frontal attack combined with trident and saw strikes brings results. Friends, have fun with flags in our Spinning the Globe app. Exciting arcade games will also help you improve your knowledge of geography and flags. Unbelievable! Barbatron has used his secret weapon, a devastating electric shock. All of Jamot's attack systems are down.
Barbatron is ready to finish off his opponent.
It looks like Jamot's roof has been blown off. A clear victory for Barbatron.
I'm sure you won't be disappointed by these two videos either.